Welcome to Point Counterpoint with Andrew and Amelia.
Okay, let's get right into it. Amelia, 336 West End Avenue has a lot to love, but I love the pre-war details.
Andrew, I understand that, but for me, it's all about the 70s West location. There is just nothing like the historic West End Avenue Collegiate District.
Amelia, I understand where you're coming from, but this apartment has an expanded two-sided kitchen with marble countertops and stainless appliances.
But Andrew, 336 West End Avenue is around the corner from Fairway and Cinderella.
Amelia, back to the pre-war details. Let's not forget the classic sunken living room, the herringbone floors, the beam ceiling, the glass doorknobs. The list goes on.
Andrew, but with this location, the convenience is the best part.
Amelia, shall I remind you the great closet space, and with board approval, you can add a washer dryer.
That's an excellent point, but I love being on the third floor looking out at the beautiful treetops.
Amelia, let's not forget, this co-op is pied-à-terre and pet-friendly, and you can breathe easy. It's a non-smoking building.
That's very forward-thinking. But how about the fact that 336 West End Avenue is just a block from Riverside Park? It's surrounded by culture with the Beacon Theater, Stand Up New York, and Lincoln Center.
Amelia, the good news is at 336 West End Avenue, you have a 24-hour doorman, a live-in super, storage and bike room, and laundry. And let's not forget the amazing landscape roof deck.
Well, you know what, Andrew? I think there's one thing we can agree on. With this great location and this great apartment, you can have it all.
I guess we both agree on that. 336 West End Avenue means you can have it all. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.